Cannot wrap my head around the fact it's taken me this long to finally realize I'm fantastic. I used to write my little raps, they'd always look right past it.
There's one more item in this box and we need to take a good look on these babies. Hey, it's your gal Cutie back in the house with another unboxing video or shoe review. The moment of truth. Whew, I cannot wait. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think I know what these babies are. The Nike Air Zoom GT Cut 2. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Who put it like this? Who freaking put the wrapper like this? Like, oh my god. Oh. Oh wow. Oh my god. Wow, I am impressed with seeing these in person, but these are not the first time I've seen this in person, because I did see these at Dick's Sporting Goods and it kind of looked different there, but it's probably the same thing, but it's just like, to me at first, when I first glanced at it, why did it look kind of weird at the store? But I bought these from Nike and I ordered online, and wow, they look amazing. Like seriously, like at first I was like, you know what, when they come in I might return them, because when I first saw them at this Dick's Sporting Goods I was like, oh no, not now, boo boo. Not now. But wow, it's like the pearly pink, like the Aunt Pearl. Oh my goodness, like the color right there. My god, it's a salmon. I love salmons. Just kidding. Wow, these babies are just a piece of cupcake. It's a cupcake. Thinking about food a lot now. Wow. Ooh-wee. Wow. Look at that metallic color. Not translucent. What is it called? But woo, air zoom in your face. Wow, that is pretty. That is. Just look at it. Oh my goodness. My god. I totally noticed that crease, but I'm not even gonna bug about it, but wow. Just take a good look, man. This is just... Yeah, and you can see that it says smear transaction 1.0 and then GT Cut version 2.2 right there, baby, as you can see. Oh my god. Thank you. Come again.